Hello, I'm Ann, the robot. How can I help you?
Hi, I am Jero. I have few questions.
Yes. Tell me.
How to program version 3.0?
Yeah. That you have to ask from Dr. Vasigaran.
Vasigaran? You mean superstar?
Yeah.
Ah, so funny.
It's not funny. I'm telling truth.
Then can you help me to go there?
No. Can't help you. Because that program not installed.
Okay. How I can get him?
Try to contact Mr. Director Sankar.
Okay, chill. Shall we go out?
Yeah. Of course. Elevator. Take floor G.
Nice to meet you. The robot M.
It's a nice meeting. Robot Jero. Okay. We will meet again.
Yeah. We will meet again.
Bye.
Bye.